we'll guide you through how to export an MP4 file in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your project is ready for export. Go to the bottom of the interface and click on the Deliver page, which is the last icon in the row. This page is where you set up your export settings. On the left side, you'll see a list of preset options. For exporting an MP4, select the H1264 master preset, which is optimized for MP4. Once you click on that, you can scroll down to customize your settings. Check that the format is set to MP4, and the codec is H1264. Next, choose your resolution, usually 1920 by 1080 for full HD, unless your project requires something different. Below that, make sure your frame rate matches your project settings to avoid any playback issues. Now, go to the Audio tab, right next to the Video tab, and verify that the Export Audio checkbox is selected, ensuring your video has sound. Once everything is set, look at the bottom right for the Add to Render Queue button. Click that, and you'll see your job appear in the Render Queue panel on the right. When you're ready, hit Start Render, and DaVinci Resolve will start exporting your video as an MP4 file. You can monitor the progress in the same panel, and once it's done, your file will be saved in the location you specified. That's it. You've successfully exported your project as an MP4. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.